Okay, we're here in Barrington with my sister, Elizabeth Gullum. It is now just a little bit after 5 p.m. We're in the teeth of the blizzard, if you will. Liz, tell us a little bit about what we're having today.
This is a classic blizzard. Big suck of Gulf moisture and the Arctic air kicking in.
And
5 inches of lake effect this morning, which the majority of the metropolitan area did not get. Lake County, some into Kane County, a little bit of Cook County, but we got the most of it.
They're saying that this storm has some historic import. When's the last time that Chicago Public Schools shut down?
1999.
And we know that we've had...
That was the last blizzard.
We've had bad weather before here.
Yeah,
that was,
in the last 11, 12 years.
So that was 12 years ago.
Yeah.
This one is apparently going to rival the blizzard of '79, which I drove from Country Club Hills to DeKalb. And actually, we had one on New Year's Eve. It was not as bad, but
during that New Year's Eve,
that
2 weeks later, 35 inches of snow over that period of those two storms. You know, we can look at that out the bedroom window up there.
Inside, there's a bottle of whiskey.
You can see it on the dog.
Plenty of snow on the ground, too.
You can see the snow on the dog. Here's the gust when you come around the side of the house.
Look at his car. It's just like...
His car's been parked here for a short time. Oh, it's just blown off.
Hey, the flood too. The lower one.
Ah! Help me! Help me! Look how deep it is. Whoa. Check this out.
Now I can open the window. Oh, yeah. Listen to it.
Don't open your side.
Don't you? Yeah. Listen to it, too. Yeah. Right there. Blowing about 45. Look at that. Look at it.
Look at that.
Drifting snow here. Oh, my goodness. Jeez. There, the wind.
Oh,
I don't think I've ever seen it snow this hard. I mean, you can't even.
Wearing the big coat. Ryan heard thunder, so we should be hearing thunder.
It's the snowplow guy. Liz, it's a little deep right over there.
Yeah, it's a little deep.
Let's see. We're gonna look at that.
Let's get a good look.
So here it is. See.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. God!
Okay, we are emerging into the blizzard.
Oh my God!
And it is still a blizzard. It snowed all night. This was about 4 inches deep last night. Is now at least 3 feet deep. Oh my goodness!
Oh my God!
This is the same place we were last night.
Wait, Larry, stop right there.
In one storm?
Stop right there.
This is the deepest ever in one storm.
Well, it already was a record. Yeah, like, look at the snow on the roof.
Oh my God! I gotta take a picture of that. God!
Okay, we are emerging into the blizzard.
Oh my God!
And it is still a blizzard. It snowed all night. This was about 4 inches deep last night. Is now at least 3 feet deep.
Did the plow guy come back?
We've already trampled over the bed. I don't think we can get down the slide.
He didn't come? Or he did come?
How can it be that deep?
Ah! I don't have my gloves on.
Okay, good thing it's not snowing anymore.
Oh my God!
Oh, we got to see the shirt. You got to see the shirt.
What's that?
Look at this.
Yeah. Here, let's.
I'm doing better than that. I'm taking video.
Stand right over there. I've never seen it snow like this on one storm.
Ever. What do we live in Buffalo, for God's sake?
Oh my God. That just looks too tiny. Big piles of snow.
Oh, that's a pretty good dress. Yeah. Okay, we're getting in the car. Whoa.